obviously care that you have taken in protecting the patients.
Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Prime Minister Andrew Holness toured the areas in St. Elizabeth most affected by Hurricane Melissa, and we have exclusive aerial footage capturing the full scale of the destruction. Andrew Holness also visited the hospital in St. Elizabeth and thanked the workers for their hard work throughout the storm. Check it out.
I would say about 90% of it. That would be your estimate. Yeah. About 90% of it. After today's assessment, heavy the storm, lifted this gate.
This is new work. New work. Yeah, these are brand new. These were put up in Berry. After Berry.
Was that the poles are up?
Yeah. The pole does up such a pole.
fire. Yeah, no, it's not. What is that? So they're not with the JDF team?
Yeah. Richie. You have any? The Bushmarks, yeah, the Bushmarks.
What is this one?
Not soon. Before you reach the program. Yes,
Oh, you're not Prime Minister. See the big
With maternity.
I don't know if you want to.
So we walk around.
Yeah, walk around instead of through the wall.
Yeah, man. Oh. And that.
Sure, nothing at all, nothing to us in Kingston.
Nothing.
Yeah, no, I'm kidding. That's all right. Because he has.
But I'm past.
I see that. I want to thank all of you for your service. I know it must have been a harrowing experience.
Very, the most terrifying experience in all my life, and I would not want to see it again.
But you don't report any loss of life.
Thank God, God has been good to us.
So not because of the storm. But obviously, the care that you have taken in protecting the patients would have paid off. So thank you. I don't know if you had an opportunity to see the rest of the song, but certainly you would have heard.
We're not sure what's going on. Many of us don't know what is happening to our children, our parents, because we are here. We are here.
We just can't hear anything from them.
Yeah, we have no movement. Before the corridor would have come out. Exactly. I don't think none of us are competent enough to describe what happened. It is beyond imagining. We can't really imagine. At one point you would think that you have some missiles just letting go in the glass. You just see things just going here, glass, boom. And in spite of everything, patients are there to take care of. Even after the storm, we have emergencies, using lanterns and flashlights. But God has been good to us.
So what we're doing now is the initial assessment of the damage. We have with us the acting Chief of Defense Staff and Brigadier Williams as well. And they are doing their assessment that will feed into ADPEM. Hopefully by tomorrow we will have cleared the routes in to Black River because they are all blocked now. There's no traffic that can come in vehicular from outside. As I'm seeing, some of your transmission towers are down, so telecommunications will be affected. Of course, almost all of your electrical grid is down.
So this is the
No,
doctor.
that's what we're trying to do now. We're doing an assessment to see where we need to put what equipment to move. I know it's rough. I know it's rough for me, but yeah, I have to pull it out now. All right? I have to just hold it out. By tomorrow, however, roads will be open. That's what we're working on. That is something that we could.
Yeah, I can talk to the road bus service once you can get in people definitely.
Yeah. So you're not from here. Where are you from? Oh, yeah, oh no, but definitely within the parish, yes, we can provide transportation. All right.
Yeah,
Yes,
we can do something.
within the parish we can do that. All right.
Can run some routes. Can't remember the buses won't be.
So